Hello and welcome on BBTV. Today we have Masha and the bear and the Teletubbies. Ew, ew, my name is Dipsy. Hello Masha. And here we have a Kinder Surprise egg. Come on, let's take a look what we find inside. Oh, yummy, yummy chocolate. And what kind of toy? Oh, what is that? Oh, that's Oilet. Yes, PJ Mask Oilet. Cool. Very, very cool. PJ Mask. We have here Oilet, Catboy, Gecko, Romeo, Luna Girl, and Ninjalino. My favorite one is the Gecko. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. The first, we take this one and this one. I put this here. Is it right? This is wrong. PJ Mask. PJ Mask Oilet. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on BBTV. My chocolate. My chocolate. Wait, no, wait.